Hi, I'm Maba Begasimi, a math teacher with 22 years of experience. In this video, I'll solve a cool geometry problem using Thales theorem. Stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe.
This is a problem that at first glance seems quite difficult, but can actually be solved using the most basic geometric concepts. I want to find the area of the shaded region. We have three squares with side lengths of 4, 6, and 10. Let's place them accordingly. This one is 4, this one is 6, and this one is 10. This final segment is also the side of a square, so it's 10. Now, these three lines are parallel because they are sides of squares. Let's apply Thales theorem. If we consider these two lines as parallel, we have a Thales configuration with segments in a ratio of 10 to 20, that is, 1 to 2. If the segment corresponding to the two side is 10 units long, then the one side must be 5. That part can be done mentally. We also have another application of Thales theorem. These two lines are also parallel, and the ratio between their corresponding segments is 4 to 10, a part-to-whole ratio. So 4/10 equals 0.4. Multiply that by 5 and we get 2 for the corresponding segment. Now, the shaded area is naturally a right trapezoid, a trapezoid with one right angle. Its area is calculated by adding the lengths of the two bases, 5 and 2, multiplying by the height, which is 6, and then dividing by 2. That gives area equals 42.